Find or read reviews that people are talking about XenonLab Handheld Vacuum Cordless. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Industry-leading dust removal. This mini vacuum cleaner packs a punch with up to 10,000 PA suction, powered by our latest self-developed Vortex technology. Whether you're using it as a car vacuum portable cordless or a handheld vacuum cordless for your home, its enhanced airflow system delivers enough power to pick up pet hair from carpets, crumbs from car seats, and dirt from corners. A great choice when you need a small vacuum that actually performs with cutting-edge innovation. Tools for hard-to-reach messes. This cordless handheld vacuum cleaner includes a brush, crevice tool, floor nozzle, and flexible hose. From cobwebs in ceiling corners to pet hair stuck deep in your carpet or food crumbs in couch cushions, the right attachment makes all the difference. It's more than a portable vacuum for car, it's built for all the tricky spots. Super lightweight but holds more. At just 1.1 pounds, this handheld vacuum cordless is easy to carry and use. The 400 ml dustbin holds plenty, so you can clean your car or living room without stopping. Great for everyday jobs, especially in places like under seats or along baseboards. The HEPA filter is reusable, just rinse, dry, and you're ready to go again. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. This dustbuster cordless rechargeable uses a Type-C charging port, perfect for your car, office, or home. Powered by high-efficiency 2000 mAh batteries, this hand vacuum cordless rechargeable hand vacuum runs for up to 25 minutes. Whether it's a quick cleanup in the car or daily use around the house, it's a reliable mini vacuum cleaner cordless option. This car vac cleaner high power makes a thoughtful gift for anyone who wants to keep things tidy at home, in the car, or in the office. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.